hold on to this for me.
Yes, I can.
Just like that. And what I want you to do is this. Think of a number between 1 to 99. Don't tell me what it is. Think of a number. You've got a number in mind? You already have one.
Yep.
Good. If I got it correct, I try to influence you. Look. What is the number you're thinking of?
Say it.
Yeah.
23.
23.
Yeah.
Take it out. I want to see.
What the hell?
How the fuck did
What
you do
the
that?
hell? Get the fuck out of here.
How the fuck this happened?
This nigga had this in my hand the whole time. He fucking right.
He done put the fucking bull some crazy shit on me. Someone hot with him. Somebody. That shit's wild, bro.
How the fuck you think 23?
Yo guys, thanks for watching this video. If you want to see some more epic street magic, check in tomorrow and see some more of that. If you want to see more of me, click here. I talk a lot about psychology and philosophy of magic, so if you're into that, do click over here and watch more of me. See you tomorrow for some more street magic.